Deep in a world of secrets, that's where you'll find the magic. Easy to disbelieve it, difficult to